Hello.
Ew.
Ew? Oh.
Yeah, ew. What are you wearing?
What? This is my uniform.
Yeah, well, it smells like oil and... Is that blood?
What? No. No. Just oil. Maybe a little bit of tea. Maybe.
Right.
Why? Why, you don't like it?
No, yeah, no, I think I'm good.
Oh. I can make it better. Do you have any recommendations?
Recommendations on like what?
How to dress better?
Ditch the whole thing.
Cargo shorts. I will wear cargo shorts. I hear they are very comfortable.
I mean, yeah, if you want.
Do you not like cargo shorts?
Not really, like...
Cargo, vroom, vroom! That's how cars go. They go vroom!
Oh, brother, you are interesting.
Thanks, and really helpful.
Cargo room.
Cargo shorts are helpful and Dad approved. Extra pockets.
Hooray.
Okay, see, that kind of makes it worse.
More for holding keys to doors.
That's exactly correct.
Imagine how many USBs and crucifixes I can break in my pockets.